Intelligent charging, precisely when sustainable or cost-efficient energy is available. Or to put it simply, smart charging. Your ID is ready when you are. If you set departure times here, your ID will ensure that the battery has exactly the charge level you have set for the time of departure. You can set preferred times here, for example, to take advantage of favorable night tariffs. That's clever already, but it gets even smarter when you have a flexible electricity tariff and a home energy management system. This can supply your ID with particularly cheap electricity. A photovoltaic system lets you generate your own sustainable power. In this case, your home energy management system or smart meter can charge your ID, preferably when there is a surplus of produced energy. You can also set a minimum level to which the battery should be charged immediately. This will make spontaneous journeys possible at any time. Pretty smart, isn't it?
Volkswagen.